Just two hustling homies, Mzansi reacts to Gaddafi's Nkandla millions. Former President Jacob Zuma's back-and-forth trips to Eswatini, the underground vault at his Nkandla home, and late Libyan President Muammar Gaddafi are dominating news headlines and have been thrust to the top of Twitter's trends lists. A Sunday Times report claimed that Zuma hid stacks of cash amounting to 422 meters in an underground vault at his Nkandla homestead in KwaZulu-Natal. Sources who spoke to Sunday Times claimed that the cash had been at Nkandla since 2011, before it was moved to Eswatini earlier this year. Gaddafi allegedly entrusted the cash to Zuma to pass on to his family, should he be killed, or to use to get him legal representatives. The newspaper claims that President Cyril Ramaphosa met with King Mzansi on several occasions in an effort to recover the cash. King Mzansi initially denied any knowledge of the cash, but eventually admitted that it exists during a meeting at Tambo Airport on Thursday last week. People took to Twitter in their droves, some to question how Zuma has still not been arrested, others to simply express their shock at the news.
Yeah.